Good morning, children. Welcome to our English class. So, let's begin our today's class. What was the title of the poem that we are learning? The Astronomer. Who is the poet of The Astronomer? It is Rabindranath Tagore. Who are the two main characters in the poem? Dada and the child are the two main characters. What is Dada and child discussing about? The Dada and child are discussing about the moon. Which tree is mentioned in the poem? The dam tree is mentioned in the poem. Now let's move on to the poem. But Dada laughed and said, "You are the silliest child I have known. If it came nearer, you would see how big the moon is." I said, "Dada, what nonsense they teach at your school. When mother bends her face down to kiss us, does her face look very big?" But still, Dada says, "You are a stupid child." What does the Dada tell the child? The Dada tells that the child is silly. What would be big if it came nearer? The moon would be bigger if it came near. Who bends the face to kiss? Mother bends the face to kiss. What does Dada still say? Dada still says that he is a stupid child. What question did the child ask Dada? Does the mother's face look very big? Now that you've all listened to me read the poem, I want you all to silently go through the poem and after that discuss with your friends the words that you found interesting and the words that you found difficult. We came across the word nonsense. Now look at the image. Does this image make sense to you? No, right? It's silly or unacceptable. Nonsense means silly or unacceptable. In the poem, the child asked Dada what nonsense that they teach at Dada's school. Now observe the video. What action is the girl performing? What action did the girl just perform? She tried to be or become curved. So bent means to be or become curved. In the poem, the mother bends her face down to kiss the children. Do you think the Dada's reply was right? The Dada could have replied more understandingly. What characteristic of the child is evident through the lines? The child's curiosity and imagination is evident through the lines. What do you think about innocence versus logic? Both are two sides of a coin, and we should appreciate different perspectives. Frame a sentence with bend. It is very hard to bend the thick twig. Frame a sentence with nonsense. She blabbered some nonsense. Now, pick out the different punctuation marks used in the poem. Look at the images and listen. The bright, beaming sun. Fallen leaves cover the ground like a blanket. The bright, beaming sun. What came to your mind when I read this? Okay, very good. Fallen leaves cover the ground like a blanket. What image came to your mind? Okay. So, this is known as visual imagery. Visual imagery uses descriptive language to appeal to our sense of sight. It gives us information about the size, color, shape, pattern, and we will be literally able to visualize them using just the words. Now, write a poem about your childhood days. You are also supposed to use visual imagery in the poem. Now, thank you, class. Write an appreciation of the poem The Astronomer by Rabindranath Tagore when you come for the next class. Thank you.